Today's video is going to be about multigrain dosa and chutney powder to go with it. So friends, welcome back to the channel. So friends, my dosa batter has fermented very well. It is nice and fluffy and airy. You can see I've chopped some onion, green chili and coriander for making uttappam, and simultaneously I'm making flaxseed and dalia dal powder for the Molgapodi powder, and my tawa is ready hot, and I've put some oil, and now I'm going to pour the nice and fluffy well fermented dosa batter, multigrain dosa batter on top of it, 2 ladles, so that the dosa is or the uttappam is nice and fluffy. And when I put the onion and green chili and coriander, it will stick in this batter. If I make it very thin and crispy, then it will not stick and these onion will fall off. So I have made it a bit thick uttappam, and now I'll pour some oil around the uttappam and little bit on top of it, so that it gets crispy and cooked nicely, and it's tasty to eat also when you put some oil. But of course you can control the amount of oil you put on it. And this kind of a lid with a knob on top is very convenient for making dosa or even pizza on tawa if you wish. So my dosa, I have turned it before, and now I'm showing you. Okay, and now these are the ingredients that I put in the dosa batter. This is sona masuri rice, which is a bit round and short rice, thick and fatty kind of a rice it is. And the other ingredients apart from rice which I have added in the mixture, dosa mixture, is udad dal. So equal quantities I have taken of yellow moong dal and orange masoor, and this is green moong, whole green moong, and channa dal, and of course udad dal, which I showed you before. So rice, udad, channa, whole green moong, and all these I have added. So this is the Molgapodi mixture: flaxseed, salt, hing, curry leaves, green red chili, tamarind, and the dalia dal. So all of these I have roasted and kept aside for cooling, and then I put it in the mixie and made a fine paste of it. The red chili was a little less. Anyway, the camera is not picking up the orange color of the Molgapodi, but this is orange color actually, light orange, because the chili was less. But later on I added red chili powder and increased the pungency, and the salt also. And then after grinding, and once it is cooled, I store it in this kind of a steel jar. So this powder Molgapodi can go for next 2 to 3 months. You can have this podi over chapati, dosa, this kind of uttappam, onion uttappam, and chapati, fulkas, etc. So I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and come back again to Samhita's Homely Kitchen. Thank you. Bye.